Today we are going to discuss the closing error. Before that, we will see what is the closed traverse. What is the closed traverse? Suppose this is the traverse A, B, C, D, A. This is A, B, C, D, and again A. Okay, this traverse is called as closed traverse. Why? Because here, if we consider this as a traverse like AB, BC, CD, and there is another like DA. Here, traverse starts from point A, and again the end point of the traverse, that is the end point of the leg DA, meets this starting point A. So this figure we can call it as a closed traverse. Okay, this figure we can call it as a closed traverse. But when we do surveying on the field, there we make some mistakes in measuring length or in measuring angle, or there will be some mistakes while writing the readings. This results in what? This results in that this closed traverse does not close when we plot it on the sheet. So it will give you, it will take a form of like this A B B C C D, and it will go like here A B C D, and here as a A1. So it does not close when we actually plot on the sheet. So this is the error where this is the distance between the end point and the starting point of the traverse. That is the distance by which this traverse fails to close. This ABCD traverse fails to close is called as closing error. याला आपण काय म्हणतो? Closing error. Okay, when the end point meets the starting point, we called it as a closed traverse. But due to some errors, that end point of the traverse does not meet the starting point, and the distance by which end point does not meet the starting point, okay, the distance by which that is called as a closing error. Got it? See here, this is the figure I had drawn it. AB, BC, CD, and this is the A1. This A1 should be like A, but due to some errors, it takes a new position A1. So distance by which traverse fails to close, the distance by which this traverse fails to close, that is here, it is the A1A. This is the distance by which this traverse fails to close. So here A1A we can call that is a closing error. You can draw this diagram. Okay. So here we can see that this closing error is nothing but, if we draw this, it is nothing but what is the condition for the closed traverse? For this closed traverse, if we calculate the latitude and departure, and if we take the sum of latitude and sum of departure, then it comes to be 0. It should come to the 0. Okay, but when it does not close, then there will be some value for latitude, summation latitude and departure. Okay, so here closing error we can write in terms of summation of latitude and summation of departure. Okay, here, so we can write here as a closing error. Here you can see one triangle. It is forming this latitude, summation and departure. They are perpendicular to each other, and this closing error is the hypotenuse. So closing error AA1 we can write it down AA1 as a summation under root of summation L square plus summation D square. Okay, this is hypotenuse and there are two perpendicular sides. So by Pythagoras theorem we can get the distance AA1 as a under root of latitude square plus summation of departure square. Okay, this is closing error. Okay, then this direction of closing error we can get by taking this tan theta, and tan theta we can get summation of departure by summation of latitude. This gives us the direction of the closing error, and here this theta we will get in terms of the reduced bearing. Here we get the theta in terms of reduced bearing, and and that is the sign of summation of latitude and summation of departure gives the quadrant in which closing error lies, and this is L here stands for latitude and D here stands for departure. Okay, so got it. This is the closing error, that the distance by which traverse has to close is called closing error. Now, if there is a closing error, then for plotting we should balance it. Okay, so we don't know exactly while measuring which line error is occurred. Okay, or which angle is faulty, which what where we made a mistake. So there are some methods to balance the traverse. So we are going to discuss that how to balance the traverse. Okay.